Today I'm showing you the Helper Lovevery Play Kit for ages 25, 26, and 27 months old. And I just want to show you what's inside. My boys have loved this play kit and it is probably one of my favorites, especially for summer, and I'll show you why. The first thing I do when I get a play kit is look through the book that comes with it. It is so helpful, and they have extra activities for you to do with your kids at home. And the best part is everything is geared for the ages that the box says, for 25, 26, and 27-month-old kids. So everything in here will help them at their age, and I just love it. So they've done all the thinking for you. One thing that they tell you in the book is how to use the toys that are given and different ways to use them. So let's say you've been using them for a while and you're like, what's another way that I can use this? They'll tell you. They also have activities that you can do at home and just really cute ones. Like this one is put lights in a cardboard box and just give them something fun to do. So highly recommend reading through the books that they give you. Every play kit comes with a book. I love their books because it goes along with the age that they're in, and I just love it. So this one's all about baking. It's really cute. Okay, so this one comes with these cute flowers. They can put it in. I just love it as decor, and I like putting it on their play kitchen. It's so cute. These are like crayon markers. I don't know how to explain it, but I almost messaged them and was like, how do I get more of these? Because they're so fun, and the way that they draw on is perfect. This is great for learning colors, putting them in the right colors. And look at the book to learn more about how you can use this one. This comes with little routine charts. Read a book, diaper, wash hands, get dressed. So if you're trying to get kids to do chores at home, these pictures would be perfect to put up and have your kids look at. Also use them as a chore chart. I love the wooden puzzles that they come with. This one's so cute. Okay, this last is the sink that has a little motor in it, so you can put water and it will keep bringing the water up so they can pretend to wash dishes. I love this. I keep it out during the summer so my boys can just like play outside with the water. It has been probably one of my most favorite toys I've ever owned.
Flowers! And look at this! Look at that! That's cool!
You put the flowers in there.
Flowers. That. It's a punch.
The reason I love Lovevery so much is because they do all the research and the thinking for you. If you're wondering, what should my 12-month-old be playing with right now to help their brain start to learn at their age? Well, Lovevery has already thought all of that for you, and all you have to do is order the box for your child's specific age. Everything that comes will be geared towards them. It's brilliant. So you can get on a subscription, so you get a new box of toys every 3 months, right along with their age as they grow and learn. It's really phenomenal. I love the quality of the toys. They are amazing. I will keep them forever. They've thought through everything, and my boys have really loved it. I wrote a blog post with everything that you need to know about Lovevery. I've answered all the questions in the blog post. How much does it cost? Is it worth it? Can you just buy one box? All the questions that you have are on the blog post, and you can find that in the description below. And make sure to subscribe if you want more fun motherhood toy content. I've got your back.